Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect Pinterest to Claude AI through MCP. So this setup is helpful because it allows Claude to work with Pinterest tools through Zapier, making it easier to manage Pinterest related tasks from one place. So to begin, open Claude AI and click for profile icon in the bottom left corner. Select settings, then open the connectors section from the menu on the left. So click browse connectors, search for Zapier and select the plus icon beside it. And after that, click connect to link Zapier with Claude AI. So follow on-screen instructions carefully, sign into your Zapier account if needed, and approve the required permissions to complete the connection. Next, open MCP server from the left side menu in Zapier and then click add tool, search for Pinterest and then select it from the results. And then open the select tools menu near the top left corner, then choose select all tools so all available Pinterest actions are enabled. Now click connect, then select connect again beside Pinterest and choose yes, continue to Pinterest, and then sign in using Google. Select your account and provide your birth date if Pinterest asks for it, and then create the account if needed, then click give access to approve the connection. So once the permission is accepted, Pinterest will be connected to Claude AI through the MCP server. You can now use the available Pinterest tools as part of your Claude workflow. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.